This is the fifth and final video in Word Module 2 of the Shelly Cashman book on Office 365. We're on page 2-57. This section is on working with comments in a document. Comments are items that do not actually show up in your document, but they can be attached to your document. So if you don't put in a note to remind yourself of something, you can do it as a comment. If you're collaborating with somebody on the document, you can each put comments in and read each other's comments as you edit your document. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to insert a comment. We're at the bottom of page 2-57. We want to select the text to which the comment applies. It's the last sentence in the second paragraph. So here's the first paragraph, here's the second paragraph, and here's the last sentence in the paragraph. I've had some problems selecting this, so I'm not going to actually select it. I'm just going to put the cursor where I want the comment to appear. And we're going to go to the Review tab. This is where all of your comment options are, and we've got some tracking options over here as well. If this option right here does not say simple markup, click on the down arrow and choose simple markup. If this button over here, show comments, is not selected, make sure you click on it to select it. Okay, now let's turn over to page 2-58. And what we want to do is we want to add a new comment. So let's go up here and click on the new comment button. And it should open up on the right side. Should shrink our document down and open up an area over here where we can display comments. Your name or the name of the person to whom this is registered should appear here at the top of the document. And then down below is the area where you actually put in your comment. Our comment is the text at the bottom of page 2-58, number 3. So it's let's cover the hand and arm exercises in our brochure for patients, period. And the keyboard shortcut is Control-Enter to post a comment, or you can hit the Post Comment button down here. So go ahead and click on that. And the comment is now there, and we've got this little, we've got this highlighted in pink, and we've also got this little icon over here on the right margin. Okay, now we're going to go to the next section and insert another comment. We're going to go to the top of page 2-59. Select the text to which the comment applies. In this case, the last sentence of the fourth paragraph. That's actually not the fourth paragraph. That is the third paragraph. But it's this sentence right here. Lower volumes can help to minimize potential hearing loss. So just go ahead and select that. Click the new comment button. So again, up here on the Review tab, we're going to click on New Comment. The comment balloon will appear over on the right-hand side, and our comment's going to be, let's stress this point in our brochure for patients, period. And we want to post the comment, so go ahead and click on the button. Don't worry about the pink highlighting. That will not show up when you go to print your document. It's just a way of indicating to you that there's a comment here. Okay, we're now at the bottom of page 2-59 to go to a comment. And we're in the comments group up here again. We want to click on previous to go to the previous comment. And there it is. Okay, now we're at the top of page 2-60 to edit a comment in a comment balloon. So we're going to click on it, and we're going to click on the edit comment button right here. And we want to position the cursor to the left of the word the, and we're going to add examples of, and click on the check mark when we're done. So now we're done editing that comment. Now we're at the bottom of page 2-60 to go to a comment. So we want to go to the next one. So we're going to go back up here to our comment buttons and click on next. It'll take us down to this one. So now we're at the bottom of page 2-60. We want to reply to a comment. So that takes us to the top of page 2-61. If necessary, click the comment to which you wish to reply so that the comment is selected. In this case, the second comment. So it's this one right here. Click the reply button, and we are going to type in a reply to this comment. Excellent idea. And click, either do a Control-Enter or click on the button here to post the comment. Okay, now we're at the middle of page 2-61 to hide and show comments, and that's just the hide the show comments button up here. So the comments disappear, but we can still see where they are. We will see this little icon over here in the margin. So if you want to go to that comment, you can just click on it. It'll automatically open this up again, and we're going to turn that off. The last comment that was selected will appear in pink here. I'm not sure there's any way to get rid of that, but when you go to print, it will not show up. So at the top of page 2-62, we want to position the insertion point in the comment to delete, in this case, the reply to the second comment. So click any place in here and click on the three dots up here, and you'll get an option to delete the comment. Go ahead and click on delete comment, and it'll delete that part. If we got up here to the delete button, it would delete the entire comment, and we only wanted to delete part of it. Okay, and now we're at the bottom of page 2-62, and we want to delete all comments. Click the delete arrow in the comments group to display the delete menu. So let's go up here and click on the down arrow. And we want to delete all of the comments in the document. Go ahead and click on that. And all of my comments are now gone. And that brings us to the end of module number 2.